Plastic waste describes plastic objects which have not been recycled properly. The use of plastic from time to time continues to experience a significant increase. It's just that people do not understand that plastic can have a negative impact on the environment. For maintain human health and also the balance of ecosystems in the sea and land, including from Sustainable Development (SDGs), such as number 3 is good health and well-being, number 13 is climate action, number 14 is life below water, and number 15 is life on land.
Use of plastic in Indonesia 2013 are 1.9 million tons.
Hello everyone.
Hello.
Hello.
Today we want to present you about our group project. But before we start it, let me introduce our group members. Me myself, Audrey, Jizlia, Talita, Arta.
I am Adelia, Alvita, Asyura.
I am Amira, Khumaira.
I am Bintang Salsabilla.
I am Ditha, Egidia, Sari.
I am Gesckya, Shalsabilla, Dewi, Wahyuni.
And before we start it, for the first, I want to tell you about global plastic.